How do you know that's your basket?
Yeah. I bet it is my basket. And is this Krista's basket?
You think it is?
Yeah. And there's cars in here. If somebody fills my basket up, how did he fill my basket up?
I guess when you were sleeping. Are you excited?
There's Mickey cars in there.
Can you look at Mommy? Are you very excited?
Yeah.
You like Mickey cars?
Yeah.
Those are pretty cool. Let's wait for Krista to come back up before we open them up, okay? I gotta go get Logan too. Ready? Let's go get Logan.
I don't want to get out.
You want to stay by your basket?
Yeah.
And we have to hunt for eggs too, don't we?
I want to still look at the Mickey cars.
Okay. I'll be right back.